Strategies for healthy eating at work. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our fast-paced and demanding work environments, maintaining a healthy diet can be a challenging endeavor. The siren call of office snacks, vending machines stocked with tempting treats, and the allure of ordering takeout often make it difficult to adhere to a nutritious eating plan. However, prioritizing your health and well-being is not only essential for your long-term health, but also for your productivity and overall job satisfaction. To help you navigate the culinary minefield at work, here are comprehensive strategies for healthy eating during your 9-to-5 grind. Pack your lunch. One of the most effective strategies for ensuring healthy eating at work is to pack your lunch. By preparing your meals at home, you have full control over the ingredients and portions, allowing you to create a balanced and nutritious meal. Include a variety of food groups in your lunch, such as lean proteins like chicken or tofu, whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, and plenty of colorful vegetables. Not only does this strategy empower you to make healthier choices, but it also helps you save money in the long run. Plan your snacks. Hunger often strikes between meals, leading to impulsive snacking. To combat this, plan for healthy snacks to have on hand. Stock your desk drawer, office fridge, or pantry with options such as yogurt, hummus and cut-up veggies, mixed nuts, or fresh fruit. Having these nutritious alternatives readily available will help you resist the siren song of unhealthy office snacks. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Sometimes, your body can mistake thirst for hunger. Stay adequately hydrated throughout the day by drinking water regularly. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and make it a goal to finish it by the end of your workday. Staying well hydrated not only prevents dehydration but can also help curb unnecessary snacking and keep you feeling alert and focused. Say no to sugary beverages. It's all too common for workplaces to provide an array of sugary beverages like sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened coffees. Opt for water, herbal tea, or black coffee without added sugar whenever possible. By eliminating or at least reducing sugary drink consumption, you can significantly cut your daily calorie intake and improve your overall health. Mindful eating. Eating mindfully is a practice that can transform your relationship with food. It involves being fully present and aware during your meals and snacks, without distractions like emails or social media. When you eat mindfully, you become more attuned to your body's hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating and promoting a healthier relationship with food. Cafeteria choices and salad bars. If your workplace has a cafeteria or offers salad bars, make the most of these healthier options. Load your plate with fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Pay close attention to portion sizes and strive for a balanced meal that includes various food groups. Navigate social gatherings wisely. Workplace celebrations and social gatherings frequently feature spreads of unhealthy foods. When attending these events, consider eating a small, healthy meal or snack beforehand. This can help you resist the temptation to overindulge on less nutritious options. You can also contribute to these gatherings by bringing a healthier dish to share. Weekend meal prep. Investing a portion of your weekend in meal prep for the work week can be a game changer. By preparing meals in advance, you'll have convenient and nutritious options readily available, reducing the likelihood of resorting to unhealthy choices during your hectic workday. Start with simple recipes and gradually build your meal prep skills to make it an enjoyable and sustainable routine. Become a label reader. When purchasing packaged foods or snacks, take the time to read nutrition labels. Look for items with lower sodium, added sugars, and saturated fats. Opt for products that contain whole ingredients and are high in fiber. This simple habit can make a significant difference in the quality of your food choices. Create a supportive workplace environment. If you have colleagues who share similar health goals, consider forming a support group. Collaborate with your coworkers to share healthy recipes, plan lunch outings to nutritious restaurants, or even engage in friendly competitions to encourage each other to make healthier choices. A supportive workplace environment can make the journey to healthier eating more enjoyable and sustainable. Maintaining a healthy diet at work is entirely achievable with thoughtful planning and a commitment to your well-being. By packing your lunch, planning for nutritious snacks, staying well hydrated, and practicing mindful eating, you can prioritize your health and productivity while on the job. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health, energy levels, and job satisfaction. So, start implementing these strategies today and reap the benefits of a healthier, more fulfilling work life. For more videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.